Jyothi Seshan, and I'm a retired teacher. So I do a lot of work on the computer, online classes and all that. So I was really on the lookout for a good laptop. I wanted a comfortable chair to sit on. So that's how, I happened to walk into one of the top shops, in the Park Lane area of Secunderabad, and I walked into Vishal Peripherals, and the rest is... Well, I got a Lenovo laptop, and I must say here that the person who was, helping me to choose, he showed me quite a variety of laptops, in that island in the middle. So he took me around from one laptop to the other, and finally I settled for Lenovo because it had all the features I needed. That is another thing. You see, I was going around this island in the middle of the shop, choosing the laptop, and then it occurred to me, usually what I do is I carry the laptop to my dining table, sit down there and work, and then it struck me, I really need a good chair. A chair that can do all kinds of things, in the sense I can adjust it to my comfort. I went on this little spree around the shop, checking out every single chair, much to the amusement of Mr. Vikas, who is, I think, the owner of the shop, and he was kind of highly amused, I think, seeing me checking out chair after chair. And finally I came to this cyber art gaming chair. Goodness, the kind of adjustments it had. Like, I can take care of, I can adjust the armrest of the chair to my comfort, and the back completely falls, horizontally, so that I can, lie down, or I can adjust the incline of the chair to my comfort. And then, of course, the height can be adjusted. It even has a lumbar support for the back. So altogether, I am so comfortable. I can sit for hours and hours and work on this lovely laptop that I have purchased. And I'm very, very happy with my products. And I have promised Mr. Vikas that I'm going to walk into a shop off and on, because they have such a collection of amazing things. You could pop in there and check for yourself. It's a huge shop, and then they have these the separate gaming room, editing room, and all kinds of things. And I don't know, one thing I was very fascinated with over there, made in the shape of a shoe, and that was a gaming computer. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was absolutely phenomenal. Any teenager would go crazy over it, let me tell you. So that shop is like an Aladdin's cave. You go in there and you don't want to come out, because it has so many things that you can enjoy. Yeah, well, that is it about Vishal Computex and Vishal Peripherals. Do make a trip to the Park Lane shopping center and walk into one of these shops. Believe me, you will love it.